We're going to begin by working on the energy in the Muladhara chakra. So imagining this point in your body, the base of the spine, trying to rest your awareness here and visualizing, if it feels okay for you to do so, a four-petaled lotus and the colour red or the colour brown to represent soil, earth. And we're going to be in table position. We're going to be in yoga and Kundalini yoga. So today we're going to be working on Muladhara chakra, Svatisthana and Manipura chakras. So the Muladhara is at the base of the spine. Svatisthana is just about 4 fingers up and 4 fingers down. So 4 fingers up from the genitals and 4 fingers down from the navel. And so if it's okay on your wrists, and if it's not okay on your wrists, then you can lie down. And the movement we're going to be doing here is so a strong inhale up and a strong exhale down. If the wrists feel tight or uncomfortable, or if this becomes too much, then you can lie down on the back and raise the hips with a strong inhale up and an exhale down. Chanting the mantra Om Bu, which is the Vedic seed mantra for the Muladhara chakra. So getting ready in whatever position feels good for you. And beginning, we're going to be here for a little while. And visualizing the root chakra and internally Om Bu, Om Bu.